Hello viewers and welcome to Marjana's Kitchen. Thanks for watching this video. Today we'll be showing you how to make Indian spiced chicken drumsticks. Keep watching. I love making chicken drumsticks for dinner. It's one of my go-to items for a night when I don't have lots of prep time. Throw in some seasoning and pop them in the oven and you're practically done. Prep time to make the drumsticks is usually about 5 minutes. Bake 30 to 35 minutes. We have 9 pieces of drumsticks here. That will be enough to serve about 4 people. To begin, first add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of paprika, and add chili flakes to taste. We like it spicy, and salt also add to taste. And add 2 tablespoons of vegetable or sunflower oil. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And 1 whole garlic clove, chopped up finely. This looks a bit excessive, but trust me, the flavour is amazing. We also have green chilli and coriander, peppers, and sliced red onions. This will be garnished on top of the drumsticks when we put them in the oven. Now let's start mixing all the ingredients together. Make sure you combine all the spices well. Get them into all the nooks and crannies of the chicken. If you can smell this, it's amazing. If you've finished mixing the chicken and combining all the spices together, place a little bit of oil onto a baking tray and brush. Now start placing the chicken drumsticks onto a baking tray. Add some green chilies to taste. We like it quite spicy and hot. And finally, coriander. Sprinkle it all over the top. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees and place it into the middle shelf of the oven. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Check temperature thoroughly and make sure it's cooked well. It's been 45 minutes now. Now we're going to check if it's cooked. That looks perfect. I hope you enjoyed watching our video. Please comment, like and follow us. Thank you.